Jai Shri Manka Jai Baba Sahib. I greet you all and welcome you to our YouTube channel Baba Sahib's Aromatherapy. Greetings of the day. Here we are going to deal with a video which is on solving planetary problems with Itra, which is the main part nowadays for the people who are suffering from different planetary issues. Now, into this video, I am going to reveal the secret of Itra. I repeat, here in this video, I am going to reveal the secret of Itra. Here you will know that how we can use it to overcome from the problems of our day-to-day life. In worship, everyone generally uses the natural fragrance. Hindus use it to offer God. Muslims sprinkle it in Dargah. Others use it in clothes for fragrance. Christians, they wear it while they go to the church. It makes a decent atmosphere and therefore liked by everyone. Or rather, if I conclude, any religion supports the use of fragrance. Now, let's see how to use it in a nice way to attract luck, to please God and goddesses, to bring success in life. If there is a debt problem, then do use the Kewda Itra in rose garland and then offer it to Hanumanji on Tuesday. I repeat, if there is a debt problem, means debit is there, your amount has been taken by somebody but he or she has not given it back. For getting it back, you can use Kevda Itra in rose garland and then offer it to Hanumanji on Tuesday. Do this regularly for 9 months. It will help you to a lot to overcome from karja or debt. If anyone is facing too much problems in life due to malefic moon, then for peace it is good to perform the abhishek of Lord Shiva with Mitti Gulab Itra or Shamama Itra on Monday and read the Rudra Sukt. I repeat, if you are facing a problem with malefic moon, then for peace it is good to perform the abhishek of Lord Shiva with Shamama or Mitti Gulab Itra on Monday and read Rudrakshtak. If Venus is malefic or it is malfunctioning and giving problems in life, then on Friday is good to offer Itra to goddess Durga and pray for peace. With this, if the Itra is rose, that is gulab or chandan, it will be very helpful. With this, if anyone distributes Itra to female children, then it will also minimize the Venus problem in life. If you are suffering from Rahu problems, then do rub Itra on clothes after wearing it, and that will be cool and warm Itra, which I have told you in the previous videos. Always wear clean and fresh clothes and then use natural fragrance. If you are facing too much obstacles in life, then the totka will give you relief. On Wednesday, take 108 durva and rose flowers. Now sprinkle Itra on them and then by chanting Ganesh mantra, offer it to Lord Ganesha one by one. I repeat, on Wednesday, take 108 durva and rose flowers. Now sprinkle rose Itra over it or gulab Itra over it and then by chanting Ganesha mantra. Offer it to Lord Ganesha one by one. If anyone performs abhishek of Lord Shiva with water containing Itra and Kusha on Monday, then it protects from many dangerous diseases like cancer, heart problems, diabetes, and blood pressure. In legal problem, saffron with rose natural fragrance. If anyone offers to sun, then it's good. I repeat, for the legal problems which you are facing in life, saffron with rose fragrance, if it's applied, mixed with water, and it's offered to sun, then it's very good. This was all about solving planetary problems with Itra. Whatever questions you have, you can just mail me on the email ID provided to you on the front page of a fun slide of PowerPoint presentation which I have used in this video. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for going through this video and listening patiently. Inform the others also so that their planetary problems can be solved. Take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next video. Till that time, bye. Jai Shri Mahankal. Jai Baba Sahib.